Hey guys, welcome to Wonderville Studios. Today is a very special day because I have with me the craziest cat lady that I know, Lily. What's up, Lily?
Meow.
Meow. Lily is cat crazy. Is that fair to say? Yeah, cat crazy. What do you like so much about cats?
They go meow and they eat food.
They go meow and eat food. Well, that is very true. Are you lazy like a cat? Yeah. I don't know. You're pretty crazy. Yeah. She's pretty silly. Lily loves cats. And so I invited Lily over here to do our special Saturday cat video. And she's got a really cool idea that I think that you should grab your markers and some paper because we're going to draw some pretty crazy cat stuff, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's going to be fun. So get your stuff together. Let's draw some kitties.
Yeah.
Let's do our best cat. Ready?
Meow.
Go. Whoa. Okay guys, so we got our paper here and our markers ready to go. Lily had a great idea for what we're going to do for this cat today, and she wants to do like a little drawing challenge. And you said you wanted to do a potato cat, is that right?
Yeah.
So we're going to take a potato and add a cat thing to it. So I guess we're going to do a challenge. So Lily might have one way of doing it, I'm going to have a way of doing it, and we're going to let everybody vote and see who wins. Is that how we're going to do it?
Yeah.
Challenge accepted?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, so grab your markers, guys. The goal today is cat potato. Cat potato. So, yeah, cat potato. Alright, Lily, well.
Potato cat.
Potato cat. Cat potato or potato cat or cat potato, depending on how you want to
Tomato.
talk. Tomato. Tomato. Alright, so, let's just go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Alright, so potato. Cats. No looking at mine. That's not part of the contest, okay? You can't cheat off me. So, Lily, why potatoes?
I like potatoes.
You like potatoes? What do you like about potatoes?
They're manly and they look like turds.
They look like turds. You're correct. Potatoes do look like turds.
My cat looks weird.
That's all right. Well, you know, like we always talk about, there is no really one way, especially if you're drawing a potato cat. There is not a way that has any rules of what a potato cat should look like. I'm just saying, I'm pretty sure there's nowhere around that you're going to Google and find out that a potato cat is supposed to look a certain way.
Yeah, there is.
You think so?
Potato cat fiction.
Is there actually a potato cat thing?
No.
Oh, we'll see. We're like being revolutionary.
I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna make it perfect.
Not really.
So how old are you, Lily? You gotta think about it.
11.
You're 11, all right. And Lily is going into the what, 6th grade, right?
Yeah.
That is pretty
I
awesome.
Get more freedom.
More freedom.
Aha.
You're not looking at mine, right?
No.
Because Logan's always looking at mine, trying to cheat off me and try to like.
He's such a cheater.
He's trying to cheat. That's right. So so Lily, let me ask you, what do you like about drawing?
I don't know.
You don't know? You like to draw, right? Like being creative?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it when you do creative stuff, does it make you feel like you get to just kind of make up whatever world you want to be in?
Yeah.
Or whatever, and that's pretty cool. Like in your world of drawings, a potato cat's completely normal, right?
It's called Meow Meow World.
Meow Meow World, all right. Well, that works too. So, pretty unique when you can kind of come up with your own thing, right? And you don't really necessarily have to do what everybody else does and all that good stuff like that. Some people think of that as being weird, right? But that's completely normal, don't you think?
Normal for me.
Normal for you, that's right. And I feel like it's normal for me as well. Because really, who's to say what's normal and what's not normal, right?
Yeah.
Right. So, let's see. You said potatoes taste good and look like turds.
Yeah.
So I am thinking my cat definitely looks like a turd. So I'm thinking that I kind of am hitting on the right parts of it, looking like a potato cat. But I see what you got going over there too, and that's pretty darn good. So
I'm looking at mine.
I am looking, but I'm not cheating. I'm just kind of like looking at it to see.
That's a French fry.
How you not? That's a French fry.
Yeah.
A French fry for his tail.
Yeah, because French fries are made of potatoes.
That's well. This is very true. I never thought about that before. So like I could have like how potatoes. Here I got a funny idea. You know how potatoes sometimes have like those weird bumps, like they have like different weird shapes and all that stuff to them. Like they can have a little gross. I'm gonna have like a little. This potato has like a little growth on it.
Like
So,
a zit.
yeah, he's got like a big. He's got like a big like potato zit on his back. It's like a
French fries.
It's like a mouse. So it's like he. Are we gonna name our? Should we name our guys?
My name is Jimmy.
Yours is Jimmy.
Jimmy, no, it's Bernard Jr., the manly potato cat.
I think mine's gonna be named like Spud or Tater. I like Tater.
Tater Tot.
Tater Tot. That's Tater, and this is his little buddy Tot. It's growth.
What about that one?
That's just his tail. His tail's crazy. You know how cats like always like look at their tail and they chase it and go nutso on their tail? Lily's got a cat. What's your cat's name?
Jake.
Jake.
He has eyebrows now.
What's so funny about Jake?
He used to run around and scratch the couch.
And scratch the couch?
I guess.
Are you all done with yours?
No.
Well, we're almost done here, so you gotta like
marker.
We're almost finished here, so you don't have to color it so much today. We can color it later, but if you have any other black and white stuff you want to add to it, you can. Are you done with everything else though? See, I'm gonna draw some hearts because Tater loves his buddy Tot. That's like his little thing.
I can't reach the pink marker.
The pink marker? I got you.
Haha.
You got it?
Got it.
Alright, right on. Alright, cool. So my favorite thing, Lily?
I forgot to draw something.
One of my favorite things is to be a little bit weird and strange, right? And come up with our own stuff.
Weird.
We're strange and weird together, right? We're both pretty strange and weird, wouldn't you say? And I think, and you tell me if you think I'm wrong here, but what's kind of cool about us is the fact that we are a little bit different, right? And we think a little bit different because we don't really want to necessarily always be like everybody else. Would you agree with that?
I don't know. I got confused.
Do you want to be like everybody else, or do you want to be your own person? Right. So some people are weird, but some people are also
weird.
Exactly who they are, right? And some people think that's weird. So really, it's just about being yourself and being happy. Wouldn't you say that's probably what it's about? Yep. Happy is very important.
Do you have a brown marker?
I don't have a brown marker. Who needs a brown marker?
Me!
Nobody ever needs a brown marker.
I always draw turds in my drawings.
You always draw turds?
Sometimes.
Well, you can draw a turd with the black marker, and then we can call it.
I don't know how to draw a turd that well, though.
So,
I'm just going to draw the...
How about we give ourselves a 10-second countdown here, and then we'll be finished. All right, you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. All right, so last thing we got to do is we need to sign our artwork, right? So everybody knows who is the one behind the masterpiece. All right. Sign it however you want to sign it.
Wait, I messed up. Oh, well.
You can put your initials. You can put whatever, however you want to say it. There's no right way or wrong way of signing it. Booyah. All right. So, this is what we got going on, right? This is our contest.
This is my cat's neck.
Nice. So we got Potato Cat here, French fry for a tail. He's got the litter box. He's eating some French fries. He's eating some potatoes. So the cat is a cannibal.
Yes, he is.
Anyway, did you have fun?
And he's a cereal
Did you have fun doing this?
Because he kills mouses and he likes cereal.
And he likes cereal. Awesome. Well, hey, thanks for doing this with me. And I appreciate it, all right? And we'll do this again sometime?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, guys. Hope you had a good time drawing the Potato Cat. First time I've ever drawn a potato cat. Have you ever drawn a potato cat before? You have?
though.
Somebody is a little weird. But weird is good. Weird is very
normal.
good. Normal. Weird is very normal. So anyway, if there's one lesson that will come out of this drawing video right here,
Is eat potatoes.
and that you should vote for me.
No.
Not
no,
Lily.
No.
Yeah. No, for me, because when I think potato cat, I think that this is the winner right here.
No, I think this one because it's pooping.
Because it's pooping. Oh, whatever. I should win. So anyway, what we need you to do is like and subscribe. Vote in the comments below, right? And I just want to thank Lily for stopping by and drawing with me. And it was really fun to be creative. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll do this again sometime?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So, guys, just remember, it's really important to wake up each day and be happy and be positive and be that weird that you want to see in the world.
I don't like waking up.
You're kind of crazy.